maintenance and operation tips. Every 2 to 3 months, grease the guardrail to prevent it from rusting. Keep the capping station clean. Clean the cap top with cleaner or alcohol in time. The local voltage is the same as the machine's nameplate. Keep a stable working temperature and humidity. Before adding inks, shake ink bottle. Use tissue to wrap the tank mouth to prevent the ink from corroding other fittings. Check the capacity of a water bottle 1-2 weeks. If it goes beyond 2/3, please pour it out. Do not place sundries around the machine body or platform. Before any printing, raise the ink carriage to be higher than items to prevent the printhead being hit. Do not print reflective items like a mirror or irregular crystal. If you need print properly reflective items like glass bottle or thick acrylic, please check with sales engineer in advance.